Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Santa Fe vs Defender, which is better. Please focus now. Follow my stepwise comparison of engines, ride comfort, fuel economy, safety tech, cargo space, and ownership costs so you can decide. I'll highlight where each model shines, who benefits most from each choice, and practical tips for real-world ownership to help you pick with confidence. Expect clear examples, quick summaries, and concise pros and cons at the end. Now let's dive into performance where engines and drivetrains matter most, comparing power delivery, torque feel, and how each vehicle behaves under load. I'll describe towing capability, two-wheel versus all-wheel drive traits, and how suspension tuning affects ride and handling. Expect practical driving impressions that answer who should choose which platform for commuting, hauling, or light off-road adventures, with clear takeaways to guide your decision. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more helpful comparisons. Quick recommendation, on another note, I've been using a set of leak-proof containers that make meal prep and road trips much easier, and they pair surprisingly well with tailgate trips in both vehicles. Check the description for that link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll explore interior comfort, tech, and overall ownership value so you know which vehicle fits your lifestyle and budget. I'll compare seat quality, ergonomics, sound insulation, and family-friendly features while noting infotainment and safety tech differences. Then we'll translate features into value by looking at pricing, warranty benefits, and resale expectations. By the end, you'll get a straightforward recommendation based on comfort priorities and long-term ownership costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.